Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial on how to make an app like Instagram. And today we will be adding in the register form. And sorry for the lack of uploads in the last couple weeks, but I will be uploading a couple of videos today. I mean, in the following week. And yeah, so we're gonna be adding some more features onto our Swiftagram app. So there probably will be several more parts. So anyway, back to the register. So first, add in a UI button to your login view controller. I'm gonna add mine down here, hold on, right in the middle. So I'm just gonna make my text don't have an account register here, and just line in the middle. And also keep in mind that this is just a basic UI. You can use several software like Sketch or Pixate to make your UI look more appealing. But yeah, this is just really basic. So now we're going to add in another view controller for our register page. Right there. And let's make it a 4-inch iPhone 4-inch screen. And also, I'm just going to make it go in order, like login, then register, login, register, then posts. So now in our new view controller, we're going to have to add in a couple of text fields. So just add in one text field here. And also in many social media apps, it always asks you for your email, so we're also going to be adding in that too. So, but really it's your choice. If you don't want to add in an email field, then you don't have to. So, let's just copy paste that one again. Okay, so this is going to be username. This will be password. And this will be email. And then just add in a button that will be right here. And yeah. I think that's all I'm gonna have for the UI. Actually, I'm also gonna add in a button. Like if they accidentally clicked the register button, then they can go back to the login page. So already have an account login here. Okay. And then let's lower the font size. And yeah, let's just make some outlets to show each of the view controllers. So now create a new file, and I'm gonna make mine a Cocoa touch class so that we can make it a subclass of UI view controller. So make it a subclass of UI view controller, and I'm gonna name mine register view controller. Okay, and now the first thing is just make the class of your view controller in the storyboard to be register view controller. And now let's just set up the outlets for the text fields. So this is username text field, password text field, and email text field. And then let's add in a register tapped function. Okay, so registering the user is actually really simple. But yeah, this is just going to be a little small tutorial. But anyway, so do var user equals pf user, and I actually did not import my Parse and Bolts frameworks, so remember to do that. And then you shouldn't have an error. And then now we need to assign the values like username, password, and email. So do user.username equals username text field dot text. User.password equals password text field dot text. Then user.email equals email text field dot text. Now, also what you could even do is actually add in a phone column into your database in Parse, and you could actually make them input their phone number even. So there are actually a lot of things that you can do. But lastly, just do user.signup in background with block, and then just do that. Then we have this succeeded. Boolean error, error, voided. Whoops, spelled that wrong. Wait, did I spell that right? Is that how you spell succeeded? Yeah, I think it is. So now we have to check if there was an error in the process of signing the user up. So if, I think it's just error equals nil, and then else. So if error equals nil, then that means that there was no error. There were one or more errors while signing up the user. Then in this case, okay, good. So in this case, if there is an error, then we're just gonna prompt them with an alert saying that there was an error. So do let alert controller equals UI alert controller. Yeah, so let's just make the title error. And the message, let's just do there was one or more errors while signing up. I guess that'll work. And then the UI I think that's just .alert. Wait, let's just see what the different types are. Yeah, I think we should just do alert. Then alert controller add action. So this is basically just the OK button that you see. So OK, and it'll be a .cancel because it's a cancel button basically. And then we don't need a handler. And then all we have to do now is just present the alert controller. So, and then animated is true. Whoops. No. Alright, so now if there was no error, then what we do is let viewController VC equals self.storyboard, but instantiate viewController, and let's just see we made the storyboard identifier. So yeah, so the storyboard identifier for the posts table view controller is posts controller. So make sure that you have that there for the storyboard ID. But yeah, so where'd it go? Oh, we're in the wrong class. Oops. Okay. So let VC equals in self.storyboard instantiate view controller with identifier, and the identifier is post controller. And then now we just do self.present view controller VC as UI view controller true. No. And also in this case, if you are using Xcode 7 beta, then you don't have to cast this here. In Xcode 6, using this function returns any object, returns something with the type of any object. And in Xcode 7, it returns a UI view controller. And since I am using Xcode 6.4, it's going to return in any object, which is why we have to cast it to a UI view controller. And once, once we find out that there's no error, let's just print out successfully signed up user, and I think that is it. Let's run it. Okay, so don't have an account register here. Okay, so let's try doing test account. Password will be oh, I didn't make that secure text entry. I'll do that in a sec. And the email, let's just do that. That's my email. That's my personal. Oh god. Whatever. Let's just do at gmail.com. Register. See, successfully signed up user, as you can see right there. Oh wait. What happened? It's not presenting. Let's see if we got the entry in our database at least. Okay, so it did sign up, and the email's there, and it won't show you the password, but you can change it by just double clicking, and then yeah. Let's see why it didn't. Okay, yeah, so that's also there. So since we added in the error where it pops up, it'll just say that there's an error. And the reason that we got this error was because username test account is already taken. So Parse is actually really good with this in the fact that it will automatically see if there's already like a username with that username that they entered, and yeah, so stuff like that. Even also, if I didn't add in like a valid email address, yeah, it would also throw an error saying invalid email address. So yeah, that's why I actually really like Parse. Well, let's see why it's not presenting the error. Let's try casting it right here. And then we don't have to cast it here. Or do we? Oh, whoops. Yeah, so, why isn't it, let's check, I'm just gonna copy paste the storyboard identifier that we had here, and see, and then, right there. Oh wow, I didn't write that S. Okay, let's run it, and hope, oh yeah, let's just delete that entry in our database. So the build succeeded. Now let's quickly register, test user. Oh wait, yeah, just real quick. I'm just gonna make this a secure text entry so that nobody can see your password when you're typing. Whoops, yeah. Okay, so test user, put in password. Actually, I'll just give my whatever. Gmail.com register. And yeah, so it took us over here. And you can still compose and everything, so yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I should upload a new video soon, which is still on how to make an app like Instagram, but we'll add in some more features and functionality. So anyway, thanks for watching.